I'm being lazy today, I know. I showed y'all in the last video or one of my previous videos that I had some butterflies that I found for 40% off at a store that's closing near me. So I went and bought the spray paint this morning. Let me show y'all the spray paint. I'm not really satisfied with the spray paint though, because I wanted something a little bit more shinier, and this is metallic. It says metallic gold. So normally the color at the top of the can is the color you're gonna get. I think I bought this before, I can't remember, but I need to start waiting because I could have got that spray paint somewhere else I saw. This is the next best thing they had, and I think I paid like $7 for it. No, I paid 10 and some change. So I'm gonna spray paint it and see what I'm working with. That's all I'm gonna do in this video. And I probably gonna take y'all by my storage too. Spray paint these go as best I can, and then I'm gonna take y'all by my storage because I need to make the centerpieces as well. I'm gonna use the wooden ABC blocks that I have. I need to pick up another one this weekend when I go to Hobby Lobby. I need to make a to-do list too. Look at me, I'm recording and trying to make to-do lists and stuff, but I need to do that. I gotta go by the party and craft store to get some vases for next week's event. And the crazy thing about this is I've turned down quite a few events because of the baby. And I actually had an event after the baby shower. So I got an event the day before our baby shower, after the baby shower, but that was canceled. And then I had people inquire about December, and I just couldn't do it. And I had said previously that I won't take no events in December, but because of the transition I'm working on, I am gonna start doing it. But we're gonna put my feelers on. At the end of the day, I'm gonna trust God. He gonna bring everything I need. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it done. I hope I got enough spray paint. We'll see. I'm spraying from the side because the wind, you know how they lick your finger, the wind is blowing this way. It's either blowing this way or this way, and I don't want it to blow on me. So that's it. Y'all look at my hand. I got desperate at the end because it started running out. I look like the man from Wizard of Oz. But let me show you. This is what they look like up close and personal. You can't see that color coming through, and I'm glad it's daylight out so I can really show y'all what they truly look like. So, I mean, I don't know if a room is gonna be as lit up like this, but all right, on to the next thing. I did not plan on making this video at all, or a video for that matter. But I wanted to share with y'all some good news. And I'm sharing with y'all everything. One day I'm just gonna go live and y'all just gonna see everything. But I had an event designer reach out to me in the area. Hold on. I got it. Maybe a week ago, maybe a few days ago, I don't know. I'm just so giddy. I don't even know what my chronological time is. But she reached out to me and said that she was not going to do events next year. She had a few she had booked. But after that, she was done. And she wanted to give me some of her inventory. First pick, first dibs on everything. So I have a baby shower coming up this weekend. And I was planning on getting some not backdrops. I was planning on getting some centerpieces for this event, but just so happened she wants to give me, y'all see how I think I have ADHD. She started giving me some centerpiece stuff. So I'm gonna put y'all down and let y'all see what all I got. It's just pampas grass, but I want y'all to see how much of it I got. Excuse me. I'm gonna put y'all on a different tripod, and I brought a table over here so y'all can see me go through just what I got. It's just pampas grass and maybe some other stuff, but we're gonna see what we got. I want y'all to make this video as good as possible. I got my kids, and I only have them by myself, so what you see is what you see, and what you get is what you get. Okay, so this is the aftermath. After I done went through everything that I'm deciding to keep. These two bags right here, pretty much just trash and extra bags that, and this broken up pieces that I really can't use. These are the dry floor pieces. I try to categorize everything as best as I could. So these are the dry floor pieces. Everything that you see in this tote right here is strictly pampas grass. So all of these tall stems, you got big ones, short ones, and then you got the other little fillers that's in there. Right here, it looks a mess, but it's your burgundy, your orange, your cream color flowers. Then I got some tall pampas grass pieces that are not like these. They're more so like the ones I already have from the His and Hers collection in Hobby Lobby that don't really shed. So I'm gonna shake a few of those out because I got a vase at home that I need to fill up. And then right here, I got a couple of blush vases, small vases, some more dry floor that I need to categorize and get in order. I really need to go in my storage and take out the stuff from the strawberry shortcake event and use maybe a tote or two to put the rest of this stuff in. This was really overwhelming, to say the least. So this is a pile of trash that I'm picking up. This pampas grass has really made a mess. So I got my wife to bring the vacuum and she got the keys. That's why I got a little bit of peace of mind right now, but yeah. And for those of you who know, I was going and looking at some of the tags. This stuff is expensive. So it was really a blessing to just even get this. So if you have an eye or an imaginative, and a creative eye, you know where I'm going with this. So stay tuned. I done changed the settings or something on this thing. Anyway, next day, I'm actually getting ready to make these centerpieces. I don't have a plan, y'all. I don't have a plan, but I'm gonna try. Y'all saw that mess I had yesterday. Let's go for what we know. I'm gonna put y'all up and put a table up and see what we can do. So these are all gonna be centerpieces, and I'm doing these because this is the way she sent them to me. So I'm gonna open them up like I've done in the past. And I'm probably gonna glue a piece of floor foam in there and put my centerpiece, my flowers in there that way. I'm just trying to get an idea of what I may need. I'm thinking either I can get another small one like this tomorrow, or I can get a medium size. I gotta play it by ear and see, because these look more uniform together because it's the big ones and the small ones. And then I want these to be uniform together as well with a medium sized one and a small one. Let's see what we come up with.